Hey, if your car gets really messy like mine, you got to check this out. This is a trash can for your car. This can be installed in 3 different locations, which I'm going to show you. It is a thick rubber. They give you the trash bags that slide down in here. Line it up. It's going to go right down in there and snap in. And look, you can open and close it like a regular trash can. Let me show you. So this is just going to slide right down here into the passenger area. And that bag is going to sit right there. So now I can go ahead and I've got a bag here. We're going to go right down in there. So here I am in the back seat, and you can go ahead, see how I have this strap right underneath my console here. And it's going to keep it nice and secure right in the middle. So now my passengers can go ahead and use the trash can back here. Now, another spot you can put it is to hang it off the back seat. Now, of course, if a person was sitting here, you don't want to have it here, but you could put it here. But if you want to have it off the back seat, look, they have a strap off the bottom with a hook on it. I have this hooked underneath the seat. Usually underneath the seat, you're going to have something that you can attach to. And then look, I can pull this down and tighten that. And now it is secured to the back of the seat. They do give you a carrying handle with this. So if you wanted to take this right over to the trash can and dump it out, you could do that as well. Now, the company did send this to me in exchange for my honest review and the fact that you can put this 3 different places. They really did a good job with this one. So if you're looking for a good car trash can to keep your car nice and clean, pick this one up. That is my quick review, and thanks for watching.